2012 Ford Raptor blower fan just went out. I'm getting no air movement. So this is the issue that I have. I'm getting power here, but the fans are not coming on. First thing I'm going to do is check the manual. So according to the manual, relay number 3 is the blower motor relay. So let's go and check that first. That's relay number 3. So I'm getting 86 ohms, so that's perfect. Okay, so relay number 3 is good. According to the manual here, fuse 51, it's a 40 amp blower motor relay power. It's gonna be this one. So this gives power to the relay. So I'll go ahead and check this fuse. So that one looks good. Relay number 3 and fuse number 51 look like they're okay. So let's go to the next step. The electrical seems to be okay, so maybe it's just a hardware issue with the actual blower motor, which should be back here. So underneath, on the passenger side, there's the blower motor right there. So I'm going to check to see if there's power going to the motor. If there is, then I know there's a problem with either the mower or possibly the control module. And that looks pretty dirty. Let me just clean that up. Alright, let's go see if it works. Nope. Okay, let's just see if there's power. Okay, I've got the car key set to run. And I'm getting 0 voltage. So there's no power coming. Nope, no power. I think this is the blower control module. It's held in by these 2 8mm screws. So these metal blade terminals, they look fine. These 4 terminals, they look okay. I don't see anything wrong with it. So I'm gonna check to see if there's power coming here. Nope, no power. Let's try this one. Nope, no power. What is going on? There's no power. Truck is on. It's on run. And I'm getting no power. Okay, I'm gonna check to see if there's power coming here. So this is fuse 51. So this probe is gonna go on the battery. And this one goes here, and I should read 12. Yeah, I'm reading 12.25. Okay, so this is getting a bit complicated, but basically I'm getting power at the fuse, which is good, but somehow the power is not getting from here to the motor. So I gotta try to trace and find out why that is. Okay, I'm gonna do the same in relay number 3. I should get 12. Yeah, I got 12.2. Okay, so I am not an auto electric expert, but when I test relay 3, car is on run. So I'm getting 11.8 instead of 12.5, so that's normal. But when I go here, one of these other holes, I'm getting 5.4. .4. Isn't that a voltage drop? Yeah, like 5, 4. Shouldn't it be like 11? Isn't that what you call a voltage drop? Okay, so I figured out what the issue is. So I tested this fuse 51. That is the blower motor relay power. But I just noticed fuse 52, it's a 5 amp, the run start electronic power assist steering blower relay coil. I totally missed that. And not only that, on fuse 52, it's this one here, there's an aftermarket piggyback fuse, and so this is powering the grill lights to be run as daytime running lights, and that 5 amp fuse should be here. Now that's the 5 amp fuse, and you can clearly see it's not gonna fit. So I think I just need a 5 amp fuse, this style, then that way the blower fan will work, and I'm gonna have power to the grill lights. So I'm gonna go look for a fuse that's gonna fit this style. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I need a 5 amp mini, 5 amp, so this should fit perfectly. Okay, now this should work. Oh yes, see? The grill lights, let's go check those out, make sure those come on. And it looks like they do. Just see. Oh, excellent. Okay, so I solved the problem. It was just missing a fuse. That's a really dumb mistake. That's an oversight, but it just goes to show you one of the things you got to consider when you've got electrical issues is you got to consider any aftermarket electrical modifications. So by the way, that electrical connection goes all the way down up this aftermarket harness here, and that gets power from that 52 number fuse to get power while the engine is running. So that way these amber lights come on during the daytime as my daytime running lights. The factory harness is there. That was the causing issue with the blower fan. So there you go, simple fix. The blower is working. It's nice and cold. All right guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.